Hi everyone, welcome back to BIMKLUE Revit tutorial. So in this session, we're going to stop a while for the rendering and beautifying the buildings. Okay, we're going to go a little bit inside into the MEP services, which is the plumbing services. Okay, so we're going to create some sanitary piping that's connecting both toilets, and maybe we can, if we have time, we can explore some family modeling. Okay, so from here, how do we start with our MEP modeling for piping? And this is the architecture model, and I suggest that we're going to start with a new project file instead of modeling into the architecture model. Okay, so first save the architecture model, then we're not going to model anything into this file, and we're going to create a new file by going into the file over here, click on file, then new project, and I'm going to start with a mechanical template because we're going to use this as mechanical modeling, or plumbing template. We can start with plumbing templates. Don't worry about you don't have any templates, because you can always create your own template, and along the way during your modeling you import all the families, change all the settings, then you will have your own template. Okay, so we start with the default template, plumbing template, and then we have a new project file. So first we're going to save as our project, then we save as our the project equal Wellington, then we name it as plumbing. Okay, save, then we can close the architecture model. Okay, so the browser organization for this template is look a little bit different. Okay, don't worry about it first. Then we can go to here. First of all, since this file is blank, we can always go to manage, then manage the link, then we add in our architectural file, which is this one. Okay, click on open. Then our architecture model is over here. So now we can start to model our plumbing services over here. So the appearance of the model is quite different because maybe it's already set by the view template over here, or the setting. Then don't worry, you can always customize your view then to become your own view. Yeah, so the grid line set by the architecture project is over here. Then you can go to collaborate, then you can go to copy monitor. So select the link, select the architecture link, then you can copy the grid lines of the architecture file into your plumbing file over here. Okay, just clicking everything here. You can see a little pause sign here, means that you already successfully copied the element into your project. And then future, if any amendment of grid lines in the architecture file, then you'll be notified in your plumbing file as well. Click finish, then you can now select your grid line. Okay, then of course from the east elevation or any elevation, you can start to go to collaborate and copy monitor, select link, select your architecture link, then use the copy function to copy the levels. Okay, this is the level that we want. This is the level that we want. this is the level that we want. Then these two levels, like level 1 and level 2, is we don't need it because this is default coming together with the plumbing template, so we delete that. Okay, careful, delete this. Okay, so now we don't have any view because we just deleted the default view. Okay, okay, this is a roof. Okay, so this is in black color. If you want to activate it, remember we have gone through that before. Go to the view, then go to the plan view, then the floor plan, then you can select all the floor plan, then you click OK. Then all the floor plans will be appear over here. Okay, start to click on ground floor, level 1. So this is the view template. This is the view. Okay, so first of all, if you want to draw the pipe, so you must go to the system here, click on the pipe, then you investigate what pipe types you have here. Click on here, then we can see that we have plastic pipe, standard, cast iron. Okay, so these are all the pipes that you have. If you want a UPVC pipe, then you have to create your own UPVC pipe for the sanitary pipe. Okay, try to click on this, then you click on the edit type. Then this is the routing preference. Then click on this, try to click on this edit here. Then you can see that the routing preference for this PVC plastic pipe, actually they are using the pipe segment of PVC. Elbow is the plain standard T PVC standard. Okay, then you can try to click on one of the fitting here. Let's say it's elbow. Click on here, then you can actually change the type of the elbow on this pipe, plastic pipe. Okay, what does this mean? You can close this first, close, then start to use the plastic pipe, then you click on here to draw the pipe. Okay, automatically the elbow is formed. Then you can try to draw again, then cross the pipe here. You can see the cross is formed. Then try to tee off here, so the T is formed. So this is in a single line format. Yeah, if you want to see the pipe in 3D, then you can go to here to click on this. But you can see it's locked. Don't worry, you can go to here to unlock the view template here. So let's click on here, check, go to none, then apply OK. Okay, now you can change your view. So this is the PVC pipe. Okay, then very quickly you go to the 3D view. Okay, this will be your pipe in 3D view. Just a few clicks you can be able to create your pipes. Yeah, so this is the routing preference that you have set before. If let's say draw pipes here, you can see the elbow is a PVC elbow. Okay, if I want to change the default type of the fittings, I can always go to here, then click on edit type, routing preference. You can change the elbow type that you can always want to use elbow soldered CU standard. Okay, let's try this. Then click on OK, apply OK. Then you try to continue your piping modeling. So you can see that now the default type of elbow is different. Then throughout the modeling, you can change your pipe size, of course. So reducer will be added. Then the elbow will be automatically detected to follow the pipe size. Yeah. So whenever reducer is needed, then Revit will place the reducer to suit the pipe size accordingly. So this is how convenient if we model used Revit for the piping. Okay, so if elbow you want to upgrade it into T, you can simply click on the elbow and click on the plus sign to upgrade it to become a T. Of course, if you click on the minus, you will become the elbow, the default type of elbow. Okay, so this is the basic functions of piping tool. So let's delete that. Let's try to create our own type of pipe fittings now. So go to the system, click on the pipes, then you'll be asking why we have only 3 types of fittings. Then of course you can create your own type of fittings by clicking edit type, then you duplicate it. Let's say I want it to be UPVC pipe. Okay, then you click on OK. Now from the drop down list here you have one more type of pipe. Okay, of course you need to start to edit a routing preference to place in the default type of fittings that suit to this UPVC type pipe types here. So let's close this first. You can try to load in more fittings family by going to insert, load family. Okay, search on your UK, the library here, which is your, where is it? This is the Revit 2024 libraries, English, the UK. Then you can scroll to the pipe. These are all the pipe fittings available in the Revit library. If you don't have the library installed, then you can ask me. I will provide you the link to download the default libraries from Revit. Or you can search Google online at Revit 2024 or the version that you want, Revit like 2023, then content library. Then Google will bring you to the link to the Autodesk website to download the content library. Okay, let's use this ABS. Let's try to use the solvent welded ABS. Then you select all the fittings over here, then you open all one by one. One by one, select this. Then you click on open. Now, by doing this, you have loaded all the PVC ABS fittings into the project file. Now, draw the first UPVC pipe over here. Then click on this UPVC pipe. Then you click on edit type, edit routing. Now click on the elbow. You can see that now you have a plain ABS standard pipe available here. Okay, the T, we can use T. Junction, you can change to ABS also. Cross, plane. Okay, we're going to explore that more. Reducer, ABS, plane. This is also ABS. You can try. Flange. Okay, let's don't do it. PVC pipe don't have any flange unless you are ductile iron, okay, or GF pipe. This one also ABS. Okay, let's try. Okay, apply. Okay, then we try to draw your pipes over here. Okay, this is the ABS fitting. Okay, if I want to change to, if you want to have more, let's say this one. The socket type is this one, band plane. Okay, try more. T, you can change the T to another type of T. Okay, if you want to have a socket one, then you can try to load more family. Let's try this PVC C, sewn welded. Select everything, then open it. Okay, overwrite. Okay, looks like the PVC-C family already inside this project. Okay, we try again to use to search for the proper fittings. Let's go to load family again. Then we search on this maybe PVC schedule 40. Then we try to load in every fittings over here. Then we click open. Okay, after that we go back to our project over here. Then we can try to select the fittings. Okay, looks like this is a more proper type of fittings for the UPVC pipe. Yeah, the T. Okay, we try to use this T. Okay, this is for vent pipe, I think. Then we search for this reducing T. Okay, that's more proper. Okay.